All right, everybody. So here we go. First time building a PC here. I have a 750 watt Thermaltake battery. This is a AMD 7 Ryzen 7 3700X. I have a Gigabyte 5700 XT, the Strix B450 motherboard, 32 gigabytes of DDR4 3600 megahertz RAM. Let's see, 2 terabyte hard drive, a heatsink for my NVMe, 512 gigabyte NVMe for the boot up. Okay, so this is the RAM. It's T-Force DDR4 gaming. Here's the graphics card. The Ryzen 7 processor with the, the Wraith Prism. There you go. Yeah, the Wraith Prism cooler for it, combo. And the, here we go, B450F gaming, ROG Strix. One thing I was concerned about was whether or not this board was going to be, let's not drop that, whether or not this board was going to be compatible with the 3000 series right here on this. But when you look on the box right here, they have 2 slots. Well, not necessarily slots, but I guess 2 things. I don't really know what to call it right now. And it lets you know, and it highlights that it's AMD Ryzen 3000 desktop ready, as opposed to 2000. So that should hopefully avoid any BIOS update. Here it comes with Crossfire, so you can have more than one graphics card, AMD graphics card. I'm not really gonna do that right now. I don't think I'm probably ever gonna do that. I don't know. VR ready, Aura Sync. It's a Ryzen board. What else? Here's a chip. Can you see it? There we go. A little heat sink. That's everything. So I have a anti-static mat here, and for a case I went with a Thermaltake P3. So I mean, it's pretty big, pretty sizable. See, it's metal and has a glass front. So let's get building. Me. All right, so here I am. I put the cooler. I have the CPU, my NVMe with the heatsink on it. I definitely have that upside down. That's fun. This RAM and the slots where it belongs. After this, I suppose we will start putting it in the case, which is right there. All right, so let's get that going. I mounted all of the standoffs for the motherboard, so I was ready to go there. Cracked open the back. So if I had SSDs, this is where they would go, or if I was using liquid cooling. And this is where the hard drive is gonna go. Well, the hard drive. I only got one right now, so let's put that in. Took a little bit of finagling. At first, I didn't really know what I was doing. But yeah, I figured it out. I was able to get it into the slots where you have to screw it into. My initial problem was I was trying to take this entire assembly out that the hard drive would sit in. But the way this wire was, it was like this. I never noticed that there was a screw up here. So I kept trying to get it out. And I wasn't trying to pull on it too hard because I didn't want to break it. And then I noticed that there was a screw up there. So real simple, just pops out. Pop out these side tabs that would cover these holes. Just pop those out. You can see they're on this side. You just pop them out so you get the screw in right there. Right there. The top ones are free. Get it. Moment of truth. Oh, that just turns on. Gotta hit the power button. Woo!